we hope you have enjoyed the Mani and Fariha show as much as Mani and I did today,
Absolutely.
right? It was so much fun.
Absolutely. And Mickey is also giving us some offline, you know, he's off the record, he's giving us so many tips. So you need to hear more of him.
You do indeed. But we have a live testimony of the essential oils. So in our previous segment, you must have caught how hot, and I don't mean Justin looks, but Mickey was, right?
Stop
He was dripping. Oh my gosh. We're going to get him hot all over again, right?
Can I say something? I was actually, I'm not wearing black here, as I said, but she said, oh, Mick, here's some peppermint oil. You know, just rub it on the back of your neck and your arms. And I'm thinking, yeah, right. I'm like sweating and hot, right? So she's giving me that. I just put it on the back of my head. And I'm thinking, yeah, it's not working, it's working.
Is it ever working?
If I was menopausing, if I was a girl and I had to go through a menopause, I would certainly take this, because I tell you one thing, I am so much more cooler now.
It's like a dead end for the hot flushes.
It's amazing what essential oils do. Really.
It is amazing. And this was a skeptic. Like, he was like, is this really going to work? And then right here, right now,
we have a live testimony here.
Live testimony.
Is my Canada Goose jacket there somewhere?
I was the same way, like super skeptical, you know? And once you experience it, you realize what it can do for you.
Yeah, well, I'm a lot cooler now.
People with the curling irons, they're skeptical, and then bam, they're going to be able to get it going.
Yes, and we have like the evidence with you and our beautiful model, and we will be getting further tips. Like Mani said, we had a lot of offline tips, and we're not going to share them with you just yet. You have to stay tuned. But something which I'm sure that everyone wants to know is how they can get in touch with each of you.
Okay. Well, I'm on Facebook, so Kari Schneider. It's Kari, that's Kari, and Schneider, Schneider on Facebook. And my gym's name is Empower Conditioning, so empowerconditioning.com. And either of those places, you can personal message me or look for my email on the website.
Yes. Perfect. And also offline, Mani, Kari, and I have been discussing hosting a workshop, and we're really, really looking forward to sharing all those details, which will be upcoming. So stay tuned and keep on checking our Facebook page, where we will be sharing the contact information as well as details of our essential oil workshop.
I'll teach a ton in a fabulous class, fabulous workshop on essential oils and how it can make a difference for people's lives.
Absolutely. And today, 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes really is not enough, you know, for anybody of us to, as a matter of fact, it was just a very brief introduction
just
today.
A snippet.
To have introduction to the oils, what we are talking about. But again, we really need to have deeper dive and see what exactly these oils are, what the benefits are, and from all
experience
aspects,
them.
And experience have that,
it makes
you know,
such a huge difference. You can
level.
feel it, you can smell it, you can start to get to know it, but well, on TV it's hard to eat. You can't smell us. You can't smell us right now.
I feel it.
Yes. Nikki totally feels it.
And trust me, it smells so good in here.
Yes, it does. Like Nikki was saying, even before he put the peppermint oil on himself, that just with the oils that we were experiencing, that the studio seems so much bigger, right?
Yeah.
The space opens up.
It's very uplifting.
It is very
Our
uplifting.
moods are already elevated.
Yeah. Feeling good.
Absolutely.
And it's not just the hair, right?
Feeling good.
So combined with the good hair and oils, that's the best way to go.
Yeah.
The best combination.
Absolutely.
It's Good Friday. Good Friday night.
Yes. And how can people get in touch with you?
Okay, I have a Facebook page, and that's just my everyday life or my activities that I do, and it's Mickey Svijevic, it's my whole name. And then I have a professional page where you can view some of my celebrity shots and some of my professional work, and that's Mick from Oz. It's M-I-C-K from O-Z. And that's all together. It's, you know, there's no space.
Okay. Mick from Oz.
Squash it all in.
Yes.
Mick from Oz.
Mick from Oz.
Mick from Oz.
Mick from Oz.
Yeah. So I always put professional stuff on there, because, you know, people go, oh, I want to see your photos, I want to see okay, well, here you go. So I've got a lot of makeovers on there, and I do so many makeovers, and I forget, and it's my assistant Karen. She goes, oh, Mick, you're going to take it? Oh yeah, I should, you know. I always forget. So she always reminds me, okay, I'll do one here, I'll do one. So I have a lot of makeovers on there, you'll see.
That's great.
You also have some YouTube clips,
Yes,
right?
I do. It's In Your Hair Net. how to
Great name.
Well, tongue in cheek.
in your hairnet. As Karen and I actually having a full YouTube channel, and we would actually talk and how to do hair at home, how to cut long hair at home, how to do bangs at home, and stuff like that. It's actually really entertaining. It really is.
I've
Did you
seen
see
a
it?
few. They
Yeah,
are very
my
entertaining.
assistant, when you're coming in, you're getting the whole package. It's really entertaining.
You get both,
Perfect.
Mickey and Karen.
Well, you know what? It's I have a YouTube channel too, and it's such a good tool. I forgot about it, but you can. That's the thing. You can educate people more when you're filming about your hair. Yeah, so it's perfect. I have one as well.
Okay.
And what is that?
And what is that called?
What is it called? Empower Conditioning. I think it's Empower Conditioning. But exercises, DIYs for oils, things like that, and put some stuff to educate people. It's good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Check that
So I'm
out.
gonna go
Yeah.
figure out how to do my hair. I didn't come in looking like this, so I gotta go to this channel to figure it
All
out.
credit to Mickey.
Actually, I had a fun time down here.
It was fabulous.
And it was so great to have both of you.
Welcome, anytime.
Yes,
Thank you
and
very much.
we look forward to having you back. Check out Mickey and Kari on their YouTube channels. We will be posting their information on our Facebook page. What a great show, Mani, wasn't it?
Absolutely.
Next
And
year, you're going to have
also-
your hair done, right?
Absolutely. I'm looking
Yeah,
forward
she's
to
coming in to
that.
get her hair done. I'm going to make sure on that.
You know, I'm big on my hair, so I must get it done by making. I have to
Yes,
try
you do.
you. Why not?
Yes.
Right? So, and also stay tuned for to see what Kari has for us in regards to the workshop, and we'll be posting that information soon as we have venue and the time
And all the
secured that.
details.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much for joining us on the Mani and Fariha show, episode number 3. And we look forward to you joining us next week when we have more phenomenal guests. Until then, goodbye, God bless,
Goodbye.
and thank you for being with us.
Thank you.